Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I'm fine, children. Yes, I came back again. But today I have brought something different for you. Every time now you have learned poem, stories done, you are familiar with English workbook, you know drawing, craft you are able to do. Yes? So I thought something different we will do. No, not lesson. Lesson is done. Now not spellings. I will take some other subject. Maths is done for you. Yes. So let us start with Maths today. I have come with Maths workbook today. Children, you please do the action, follow the actions with me. Left, right, left, right, left, right, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Enjoyed? Children, look up. What can you see? Oh, fan, yes. Now look down. Stamp and see. What is down? Yes, floor. So shall we start the concept of top and bottom? Yes. Children, now sing a song with me. Are you ready? Sing. Top and bottom, top and bottom. In between, in between. Scrub them all together. Scrub them all together. Now they are clean. Now they are clean. One more time. Start. Top and bottom, top and bottom. In between, in between. Scrub them all together. Scrub them all together. Now they are clean. Now they are clean. Look here, children. Now just see the pictures. Which is the first one? It's a duck. Then below duck is down. Flower. You all like flowers. Where do you see flowers? Yes, in the garden. And the last one is, it's a fish. Yes, it's a fish. And fish swims in the, yes, water. Where? River, pond. Correct. So now children, now on top there is a duck. Now when I asked you, look up, what do you see? You said fan. Okay. So fan means what? It is up. I cannot keep it down. It is up. So same way, children, the duck is on top. It is up. Duck is up. So it is top. So I am going to show you. We are going to circle this duck because it is on the top. Okay. So top means it is up. Now here on top, first one, look at the girl. Beautiful girl is there. Yes, below the girl you can see a picture of car. The last one down is a, yes, it's your favorite ball. Children, these are toys. You all have these toys at home. Yes, now while playing with the toys, once the playing is done, you must be having shelf and all at home. Mama says, please keep all the toys properly. Do you throw here and there? No. We take the things and keep it up on the shelf that is on the top. You must be having place to keep your toys. Correct? Now here my doll is first. She is on the top. The girl is on the top. So what I'm going to do is, I want to circle the top. I'm going to circle the top picture. Understood? Now, the next one. Yes, your favorite, you love very much. What is it? It's a cake. When do you have cake? Oh, I see, on your birthday. Only on birthdays? No, children, when we feel like eating cake, sometimes we bring at home cake anytime. When we want to have also, but occasionally it's on birthday, always on parties, correct? Now, what is this? Donut. Yes, you like to eat? I don't eat, children. You love it? And then brush your teeth after eating, correct? And the below one is, this I also like to eat. What is it? Yes, our favorite ice cream. And ice cream, but you all should brush your teeth after having all these things. But can I say my ice cream is first for me? No, I want the top thing to eat. What is on the top? I want the top thing to eat. It is a, yes, lovely cake. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to circle the picture on top. This is on top. So I'm going to circle it. Now, you understood this? Now look here. What is this Mama always gives us to eat? Yes, apple. Apple keeps us healthy. Do you like to eat apple? Nowadays, are you eating or not properly? Yes, I wanted to ask you that, but then I thought no, children must be obeying their parents. Apple, along with the apples, you should eat your food also. Lovely apple, isn't it? Below the apple, what can you see? Which fruit? Yes, it's the season of mango. The king of the fruits, mango, juicy mango. You all must be having juice at home. You all must be eating mangoes. Then, yes, amras. Yes, with puri also. We love it. And the last one below is grapes. You all eat purple grapes? Yes, we love to eat the grapes also. Now, children, I want to circle the top one. Circle the top one. Which one should I circle? Mango? No. Then, oh, apple. Very good. So, circle the top one. Apple. So, apple is on the top. Apple is on the top. Now, here children, see this. Look at this picture. You all have this at home. What is that? Refrigerator. Yes, on the refrigerator, what can you see? What is it? Yes, something is kept on that. It's a small plant. And below the refrigerator, what is it? It's a basket. Now children, I want the top thing to circle. I don't want the bottom thing. I want the top one. Which one should I circle? Yes? Yes, you are correct. The topmost is this plant. So I will circle the topmost because we are learning about all top. The things which are kept on top. The objects which are kept on the top. Now look here children, you have to give me the answer. Can you see the picture? Now tell me, what can you see in the picture? It is a slide. Very good. Where do you see the slide? Yes, in the garden. Now, in the garden you see the slide. You all go play. First what you do? You have to climb the ladder. When you climb the ladder, you go and stand up. When you stand up, What is that? Look in the picture, the boy is standing and waving his hand. Yes, he is calling you. He is waving his hand and showing you. Where is he standing? What? Up, top, bottom? What did you say? Yes, top. The child is standing on the top. The child is standing on the top, which I have circled. So you understood? Yes, very good. Now children, look at these pictures. You have to circle the things which are on the top in each box. This is first box. Okay. In this picture, what can you see on top? It's a lion. Yes, living in the jungle. The second one is below it, duck. The last one is, yes, it's a teddy bear. But I want to circle the picture which is on the top. So which picture should I circle? You have to give me the answer. Correct children, lion. I will circle lion because lion is on the top. Now, let us go for the next box. Can you see this box? Yes. Children, the first one is burger. After the burger, down it's a milk bottle. And the last one is juice. In that can, it's a juice. So, I want the topmost. Which is the topmost picture? The picture on the top, I want to circle it. It is, yes, burger. So, teacher will circle burger. Here the top was lion. Correct. Now, the last one is, the first one is giraffe. Then, is penguin. The below one is, it's a sparrow. Yes. Now, the top picture, can you tell me? Which one to circle? Yes, giraffe. So, I was talking about all the pictures which was on the top. We finished with the concept of top. Now, you are all familiar with the top word, correct? You understood the concept of top. Now children, I am going to talk about the pictures which we see at the bottom. Now, first one is duck. Below duck is, it's a flower. And the last one below is fish. So, can I say that the duck is on the top, flower is in the middle, but I want the bottom one. The bottom means down. As you said, when I said look down, what is there on the down? You said floor. Same way, at the bottom, I can see a fish. So, teacher is going to circle the fish. So, fish is at the bottom. Fish is at the bottom. Now, the next picture. Look on the top. Yes, it's a doll. Girl doll, correct. Below it is a car, which you all love to play. And the favorite one is the ball. So, ball is at the down, bottom. Ball is at the bottom. Now children, look at the picture. Yes, there is a slide, and on the slide children are playing. We have already seen this picture. Yes, I had asked you who is on the top. The boy is standing on the top and he is waving his hand. Yes, he is saying, yes, I am also here. But here now teacher wants the girl who has reached already down. Yes, she is so happy that she has come first. She is down. at the bottom. The girl is at the bottom. Am I correct? Yes, now the girl is at the bottom and the boy is on the top. So teacher is going to circle the bottom picture. Is it correct, children? Yes, she is so happy. Look here, children. Now let me read the question for you. Here we have a worksheet. Circle the things which are at the bottom in each box. Yes, there are 3 boxes given. So, now first box, let me talk about the first box. What can you see? Circles. There are how many circles? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 circles. But on top there is, yes, yellow color. Then is, yes, green color. And the last one down is red color. Teacher wants the bottom picture to circle. So which color I should circle? Yes, red one. So what is teacher going to do? She is going to circle the bottom picture. That is the red circle. Now let me go for the next box. In the next box, first we have is sun. Then below sun is stars which you get on your hand. And the last one is moon which comes at night. Teacher wants to circle the bottom picture. Can you tell me which is the bottom picture now? Yes, children, very good. So you all understood the concept of bottom. Bottom means down. So I will circle the moon picture because moon is at the bottom. In the last box, the first one is aeroplane. Below the aeroplane is bird. Bird, then the last down one is, yes, we all like to fly. It's a kite. Now I want the bottom picture to circle. Please tell me the object. Yes, there you are. It's correct. It's kite. So this kite is at the bottom. So you all have understood the concept? Good, children. Now children, let us circle the things which are on the top in each box. Yes, there are 3 objects given in your one box. There are 3 pictures. You are going to tell me the first picture. What is that first one? Correct, you all love to eat. The second one? Again, you all love to eat that. And the third one? I love that pastry. Yes. But I am going to circle the things which is on the topmost. So, am I correct? Yes. If I give you to eat, you will love. So, this is the top picture. Now, here we are going to circle the things which are on the top in each box again. The first one is toothbrush. When do you use toothbrush? Early in the morning and before going to bed. Below it is, yes, it's an eraser which you use. And the last one below is tire. Tire is used in, yes, vehicles. Now, teacher wants to circle the top one. Please help me out. Yes? Correct. Brush. Correct? Good. Now, circle the things which are on the bottom in each box. The first one is flower. Below it, bird. And the down, last one is, yes, it's a basket. So what is teacher going to do? Teacher should circle the bottom picture. Which one? Correct. Basket. Correct. Now let us go for the next picture. Here we have dustbin. Throw your things on the dustbin. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Where shall I throw them? Where shall I throw them? Throw them in the dustbin, throw them in the dustbin. Place is clean, place is clean. Yes? Love to say? Yes. Now, I don't want to circle the top picture. Below? No, that also no. Then the last one is? Yes, time. It's time to sit for studies. So that clock I need to circle. It's at the bottom. Now it's an activity time, children. Yes, every time teachers bring activity for you all. So this time again, even I have brought activity for you. Now, let us see what is your activity for you. Yes, butterfly, then flowers. Children, in this picture, I want you all to understand and color the top picture. Butterfly, you will use any color. Use any color for butterfly. But for flower, you are going to use purple color, only purple. Which color are you going to use for flowers? Purple. And for butterfly, any color. So butterfly is on top. So top should be any color is allowed. But the bottom flower should be only in purple. So bottom picture should be in purple. Okay. After doing this, you all are going to, yes, nicely show it and keep it with you. So now here we end with the session. Now children, I'm going. I'll come back. I'll bring another lesson for you. Something? Yes. Now children, can I say bye-bye to you? Thank you children for listening to me, and your parents also, you listen, obey them and do your work on time. And please eat your food properly. Don't trouble your mother. Okay, see you children. Bye.